Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to look at explaining completing the square. If you've completed the previous video, general form to standard form, where we completed the square, today's lesson will be a lot easier for you. So we'll start out with our polynomial x squared plus bx, and we'll use algebraic tiles here to visually represent this polynomial. So we see how we have x times x, so this is x squared, and then we have b times x, which gives our bx like that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take this bx, we're going to divide it into 2. So we have b over 2 times x plus b over 2 times x, and we didn't change anything. What we're going to do is move one of these pieces over here like that. So we just rewrote it a little differently, but it's the same thing. And we see that it's almost a square. We're just missing this little piece here to get a full square like that. And so the piece that we're missing is b over 2 times b over 2 like that, right? So b over 2 squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to add it and subtract it like that. And so here we have it. We added b over 2 squared minus b over 2 squared like that. And we see that we now have a square. And so the dimensions of this square are x plus b over 2 times x plus b over 2 like that, right? And so we rewrite that as such. So this component is equal to this component like that. And then we can rewrite that as x plus b over 2 squared as such. And so this is where completing the square comes from. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.